Well, y'all, I've been working all day on the forge. You know, I added this forge here not long ago. Of course, my workbench is all over here, but this wall back here had a big old 55-gallon barrel full of hose, rakes, shovels, all that kind of stuff. I had a big box right here, a wood box full of my traps and stuff. Moved all of that. Well, to move it, I had to find something where to put it, in which my trapping box, the bottom was rotting out of it, so I had to get rid of that and had to redo that. So what I got rid of was this brooder coop that I had around here. Now, the barrel of shovels and rakes and all that went right here. There was a coop to put a hen with her babies in there. I throwed it in the burn pile. The trapping box went right here. That box is slam full of traps. I couldn't tell you how many traps was in there. So I left part of the brooder coop. You know, there was a big, long brooder box right here. Well, I don't raise chickens that much no more. So I'm going to do all my fur tanning, skinning, everything out here. I hang my fur up right here and skin stuff. Got a breaking stick on this stump so I can do buck skins. And I have got this table left over here. Make my lures if I need to do anything on there. So I've got some lights I'm working on putting up here. A lot going on, but all of my scents, I got everything where I can keep up with it now. And y'all, this trapping box, that thing is slam full of traps.